going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Steven. I'm still pretty tired, but we're gonna get this day going. I'm actually gonna be going to a car meet with some of my friends from church, so I'm looking forward to that. And afterwards, we're probably just gonna head out, eat somewhere. But I really wanted to go to this meet because I am looking to be like a better filmmaker, better videographer. So I know there's like a lot of people out there that they like shooting car content. Me personally, I'm trying to get into the real estate industry. There you go, my friend is hitting me up. But yeah, I want to get into the real estate industry. But who knows, maybe there might be some people out there that they want some, videographers, editors that they need in order to showcase their cars and whatnot. But I'm about to head out there. I'm gonna Uber there because my friend just told me like a lot of the parking spots, they got sold out apparently. So we're gonna Uber there. Don't wanna deal with any of the parking issues and whatnot. So I just remember I had this Alani in my fridge from the cookout I was at the other day, but that's coming in clutch. I woke up really late. Not even late. I went to sleep late, like 1 a.m. I don't know, I was super tired. I was out with one of my friends last night having dinner. So that's gonna come in clutch. But also, if you guys wanna really check out the type of stuff I've been working on as far as like filming and editing, be sure to check out my Instagram. It's _Steven Paulino. I'm gonna put it in my description. I'm just like fully stepping into this creative journey God put me on and just taking leaps of faith from moving from New York to Dallas to quitting my job. Just being obedient because this life, we have to live it faithfully. We have to like take those chances, take those risks, and do what we enjoy at the end of the day, right? It is gonna be quite the journey, so tag along. You're more than welcome to see how this story unfolds. It's gonna be quite the adventure and I'm excited for it. I'm excited that you're here and I'll see you guys when I get to the car meet. So we'll see you there. Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good. How are you today?
Good. All right, so we just got here, Cars&Coffee, Texas. Check this out, guys. See all the nice whips pulling up already. See where my friend is at. You got some old school classic cars in here. Got the modern Lambos, whatnot. Man, this is gonna be fun. Oh, there he is. I see him. Mr. Poppy Martinez. Look at that Huracan right there. The McLaren. Oh, sheesh. Say what's up, Poppy.
You made it.
You excited?
Oh, yeah, dude. For sure.
Got an Aston Martin coming in.
Cars&Coffee. Is this your first one?
First one.
My third. So we got two more guys from church going to show up. So it's a good day.
Great time.
Yeah.
All American muscle.
That's a flag you can do.
Showed up.
How you doing, man?
Good.
See you out here working.
Yeah.
I love Corvettes. I love Corvettes. I mean, what they've done with it over the years has just been amazing. I mean, it's truly an American supercar.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You know,
Can't go wrong with a vet. I love that color, that teal.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. Man, that red is crisp. Cullinan. They told them to wash the car and come back.
Go watch the car and come back.
So I just met my brother Kevin that goes to my church.
What's going on, everybody? Good morning.
Bro, if you had to pick one of these cars, which one would it be? Like, what's your all-time favorite car brand?
Without a doubt, one of these McLarens. Maybe the
Come
one right
on,
behind
man.
you, to be exact. The center right here.
Yeah.
Give me a few years, maybe.
Honestly, I'm big into McLarens myself. I like the 720S.
Okay.
Italian brands for sure. If I had to choose between a Lambo and a Ferrari, it would probably be a Ferrari.
Same
Not
here.
gonna lie.
Got something in
Alright, so
common.
we got the same taste. Okay.
Let's go.
Poppy, jump in here, man.
What's up?
Yo.
What about you? What would you choose?
Oh man, is that a trick question?
It's too many, right?
Yeah, it's
they're
too
all
many,
they're
yeah.
all good.
You know what? I mean, all these
Probably
exotics
the
are
Rolls
cool,
Royce.
but give me a BMW M4 and I'll be happy. In Phoenix yellow.
Yeah, Phoenix Shallow. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'm a big fan of BMWs as well. So many good cars out here. Got the purple Lambo, white McLaren. We got a little Hot Wheels shop going on over here. Can't go wrong with the classics. Okay. Nice selection.
Are you gonna get one?
Alright, so check out this Corvette that just pulled up. I like that matte fluorescent too. Feels like I'm in a GTA lobby. It's been kind of crazy out here because I'm trying to vlog. I'm trying to create a little reel so I can edit later. But all these whips are fire. We got an M4 here. Lambo
I
Huracan.
said, if you want to stay for a little bit longer. I think I got all the photos I need.
Mercedes AMG. I've always liked those. But yeah, it's like I've been trying to vlog. I've been trying to get some good shots of something I want to edit later on. Update the gram story. And it's super hot out here. Well, let me show you guys more of these whips. We got a little buggy right here. 2 buggies. GTR. I'm actually glad we got a chance to see a GTR because I was just seeing a lot of European brands, not too many Japanese. JPM, which they are one of my favorite ones. Couple American muscle. Let's see what we got here. We got a classic Porsche. I don't even know which one this one is. I've always liked these old school American muscle. We got the Mustang. That might be 86, 87, not too sure. But I almost was about to say Rolls Royce, but this is a Maybach. Fire. I'm actually glad I got to see some of these old school cars because nowadays all you see is just supercars. These are nice right here. Classic Mercedes. What is that? I don't even know what that is. It's like yeah, that definitely belongs in a GTA lobby with the white rims. McLaren. McLaren is my favorite car brand if you didn't know. McLarens are just always so clean, like I don't know what it is. I like that colorway too, it's sleek. That might be a 720S. They got a GTS right here. I don't know, I have like mixed feelings about Porsches. Porsches are nice, but I don't know, I'm not a big fan of the whole face. You know, with the whole circle. I like more like sleek, sharp edges that you see on cars. Look at this Shelby, this Cobra. That's nice right there. I think a lot of these people are about to head out. The R8. Here we go. Here we go. This type of car, I can imagine it like, imagine an all red one in Italy. Did I just say Italy? Now imagine this one in all red in Italy, just coasting on some hilly slopes. That's a vibe right there. Porsche. I think we got a couple good shots.
Thanks for bringing that. Wow.
That is neat. That's like a Toyota classic, old school. Feel bad because I ditched some of the fellas. I'm about to catch up with them. Look at the license plates on this one. Fat. That is fat. R8. I love the all white rims on this one. Listen, I know money is not everything, but seeing all these supercars is super inspiring. But I think I got good footage, so I'm about to head inside because there's actually like a little club thing over here. There. I think some of the boys are in there. Check out some of these bikes on the bike. Chopper. They got a whole fleet of cars in here that I didn't even know they had. Bikes. Whole fleet. Check it out, guys. They have like a whole barber shop too. This is like exclusive stuff over here. A barber shop and like a whole car garage. Alright, y'all, so I just made it back to the crib. I'm about to start editing a few of these videos. Gotta edit this vlog, and then I'm gonna work on editing a reel of just the whole car meet, see if I can do something cool with that. As far as like this whole creative journey I'm on, I'm really just trying to experiment as much as I can and see what type of content I really want to start focusing on. You know, I'm working with realtors. I'm working with people that, or I have worked with people that have like a podcast. I'm working on my own personal brand stuff, just like messing around with like cinematic stuff, film, vlogging like this one, and cars as well. Just seeing what God wants me to pursue. Because my creative gifts, I definitely don't want to like just pick one area for now. I want to see like what type of content am I good at? Where can I best like utilize like my editing skills and where I can best apply them and just serve people to the best of my abilities. So vlogging is one aspect of it, you know, all type of cinematography, media. I just love all of it. But I'll definitely keep you guys updated on this creative journey. And again, if you want to like see what type of content I'm producing, like what am I editing, other than myself, but for other people, you can follow me on Instagram _Steven Paulino. And yeah, it's gonna be an adventure. So I'll catch you guys in the next vlog. Take care. Peace.